Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out in our canola field today. We've got something kind of special going on. We've got a lineup of products to be putting on. We've got boron, a folic acid, a stress product called Platinum X, and Max Impact, which is a full foliar nutrition, a 420 with 6 micronutrients in it. And we're out in our canola field today. We're going to be applying that product here. We're just waiting for a couple of guys to show up, but I'll go over and show you. It's rained over the last 4 days. Thursday, today's Tuesday. We've got inch and a quarter. My gauge at home said 1.5 inches. Since Thursday, we've had now 2.5 inches of rain. We've got some can grow signs up. We've got one there, enable your plants to do more. We've got another one a little bit further down with BioLine on it with our folic acid we use. But this crop's coming along. It's getting up in size. It's now almost as high as my waist. I'm 6 foot tall, so that crop's 3 feet tall. You can see the rain on it, that it is a very wet crop. It's standing water in our sprayer tracks and everything. So what we're going to be doing today is we're putting our 4 foliars on, and what that's supposed to do, ignore the weeds, what that's supposed to do, this crop that's set these little branches down here, you can see that is a bud. And again, this crop here, you've got your main 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You've got 11 branches with buds on them that what we're going to do is we're going to push those branches and those buds to flower and fill out and set pods to increase our yields. But what I really enjoy about this crop, when you look down at the biomass and how thick those roots are, or how thick the stalk is, like I'm looking at this one here that's kind of separated out by itself, like that almost looks like a corn stalk. Like, that's 2 fingers wide. That almost looks like a corn stalk. So the benefit to this plant is whatever you see above ground. So we'll pull this guy out. He's a little bit smaller and it's damp. I'll show you what so you can see how wet that ground is. Shake some of the mud off. It's got a good root system, but the size of that tap root, that white right there at the end of my thumb, the size of that tap root is breaking compaction down, and that root ball underground there is just massive. We'll put him back in, maybe he'll make it. He'll be okay if he doesn't. It breaks up compaction and does a lot of benefits for our soil. Is the reason we've got into growing it. It does give us a niche crop as well, that we've got a buyer here in southern Ontario that buys it. It is a different crop for us. It breaks up the workload, and crop rotation to our ground is a big key. So I'll show you what we're going to do today. We've got a drone coming, so they're going to put on 3 gallons to the acre of water when they apply this, and they're going to mix in probably just over 1 liter to 1.5 liters of our can grow products, and they're going to apply that. It is getting a bit breezy today, but this isn't anything that's going to kill the neighboring crops. There's also nothing up right now, so we're going to get that done today. So they've got the drone out here now. They've got a T40 from DJI. We've got our fertilizer all mixed up, and they fill it, and that drone does 2.4 acres every round. And they're swapping batteries. That's handy. So you can see the crop wash in the canola when they start. And that's the reason we're using this, is it's still blowing the canola around, so you're getting good coverage. It's not causing any compaction. They're not tramping any mud, they're not doing any crop damage. And it's a nice alternative for us. So we're just getting wrapped up here. They've got about 3 more fill-ups. They've got about 6 acres left to do. They do 2 passes per acre. So they're just getting wrapped up here on this canola, but that's how we're getting our fertilizer applied, and we're talking with them that we're probably gonna have them back in 2 to 3 weeks to put fungicide on this canola crop. So stay tuned for that, guys, and we'll catch you next time with another drone shot out here, and away we go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Yeah, if you've got lots.